Good afternoon, class. Since earlier in the lesson we had done the 12 days of school. We started with the first five, the 5 days of school, and this lesson we're going to go all the way through from day 1 to day 12. What I did for you, I created a Powtoon, and it's just to kind of give you a visual of it and a slide of it. That way you can kind of remember and hopefully retain the information better. Um, I just wanted to kind of help you guys. That way it's more visual, more technical if you want to say, and hope to have fun with it. So let's start it. Okay. So here it is, the 12 days of school. On the first day of school, my teacher gave to me a lecture about how math is good for me. On the second day of school, my teacher gave to me 2 tons of homework. On the third day of school, my teacher gave to me 3 heavy textbooks. On the fourth day of school, my teacher gave to me 4 math equations. On the fifth day of school, my teacher gave to me no homework for the weekend. On the sixth day of school, my teacher gave to me 6 geometry terms. On the seventh day of school, my teacher gave to me 7 notes to my parents. On the eighth day of school, my teacher gave to me 8 points to graph. On the ninth day of school, my teacher gave to me 9 kids typing. On the 10th day of school, my teacher gave to me 10 minutes of silence. On the 11th day of school, my teacher gave to me 11 word problems. On the 12th day of school, my teacher gave to me 12 good luck stickers. So that, you guys, is the 12 days of school. Um, what I did was I uploaded it to YouTube on my channel so that you can go back and rewatch it. And then I also um, uploaded it to my our Google Classroom. You can go on there at any time and see the video of it. And then I'm also going to upload this video. That way you can have it there as well. So I hope you enjoy, and I can't wait to see you next tomorrow as we keep learning about the 12 days of school.